now on the record. Today is Thursday, August 21st, 2008. The time is approximately 2 p.m. My name is James Fisher, certified videographer for State Shorthand Reporting Service in Oakhurst, New Jersey. We're here today to take the videotape deposition of Rasme1 in the matter of Entz versus Erna. This matter being heard in Superior Court of New Jersey in the Law Division of Ocean County, docket number C-306-07. Counsel, please put your appearances on the record.
H. Alton F. for the plaintiff Rasme1.
Dennis Cantoli on behalf of Ilsa Erna.
James O'Donoghue from Hillwalk on behalf of Ilsa Erna.
Christopher Kutsoris, the law firm of Dasty, Murphy, McGuck, and Yulaki, Cherkos, and Connors on behalf of the Ocean County Board of Social Services.
The court reporter Patricia Fornerato will now swear in the witness.
Ma'am, would you raise your right hand, please? Do you solemnly swear the testimony you're about to give is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, I do.
Thank you very much.
Let me take your cane. Let me put this out of the way. I'll take your purse, too. Let me take this, put this over here.
Ms. Entz, we're here again to take your deposition. You understand that?
Yes.
The last time we were here, I gave you some instructions about how to answer. Do you remember them? Do you want me to go over them with you again?
Please go over.
Sure. I'm going to ask you questions, and you have to respond to those questions. And your responses have to be verbal. So shaking your head, nodding, hand gestures are not good. You need to say yes, no, or however else you want to express it orally. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Let me finish my question before you start your answer, and I will try to not start another question until you finish your answer. Okay?
Yes.
You're under oath, so we anticipate that everything you say is truthful. You're going to do that, right?
Yes.
Okay. If at some point Mr. Neff objects, then you stop your answer, let Mr. Neff and myself have a conversation, and then you'll be given instructions as to what to do, okay?
Yes.
And this is all going to be taken down in a booklet form, and if we have a trial in this case, it can be used for various reasons at that time. So it's important that you understand the question I ask and that you be truthful, okay?
Yes.
If you do not understand my question, please tell me that you don't understand it, and I'll repeat it again.
I will.
All right, and I'll repeat it as many times as I have to until you understand it, okay?
Yes.
Do you have any questions at this point?
No.
Okay.
I have some statements for the record. Number one, this is my wife's birthday. Of course, you can't put on a record the age of a woman, but about 4:30 I'm going to run into a time problem, so I'm just alerting everybody and expect that that courtesy will be placed in mind. I want to give you some suggestions, again, instructions, okay?
Yes.
You're answering the questions of Mr. Cantoli way too fast.
Too fast.
Too fast. I want you to slow down and make sure you understand the question. We don't have the problem we had the last time with you not understanding the question. You understand that?
Yes.
Okay. And you have to give me a chance to object. And I'm going to yell objection really loud, okay? Then once I do that, you can't say anything until I tell you whether to answer or not. You understand that?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. Please proceed.
Let's mark. I think we just had D1 and D2 last time. So this would be D3. Sorry.
Sorry. I have an objection.
To what? I haven't done anything.
Well, go ahead.
Ms. Entz, I'm going to show you what's been marked D3 in evidence. Now, that document is in Latvian, is that correct?
Objection.
3.
Objection. I'm going to object for the contents of this to be deposed because there's not an English translation. as counsel, I'm entitled to see what this says in English so I can understand it and I can enter an objection. This deposition has been planned for a considerable period of time. There's no way in which I can follow this or make an objection, and there should be an English translation presented so that I can possibly do this. So I'm going to object to this. I'm going to instruct my client not to answer it unless you have something in English for me to see it.
We're going to go off the record. I'm going to call Judge Baczynski and we'll have him make a
wish.
determination.
I think I'm going to suggest something because there may be more of these.
There are more of these.
No, they're all in Latvian.